Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am planning out for, whoops, that's the wrong week, the week of March 1st through the 7th, and I'm going to be using the brand new sticker book, Girl with Goals. So I use this Skinny Classic planner as my social media planner. I have a lot of things that I need to be writing this week. So let's just go ahead and hop right into it. So I use this as, like I said, my social media. I use it for YouTube and Instagram. So I want to redate this, but those circles are not going to work. So I'm going to have to white them out and then use the other numbers. So because this has like teal and turquoise colors, it's not going to go with what I'm doing. So let's use dates and holidays. We'll do these numbers. Oops. I'm gonna use okay. So there's that. So now it's already neutral for me. So now I can go ahead and stick things down where I need them. Okay. I like this. This is pretty. Do what you love. and do it and do a lot of it. So just kind of place that down. Okay. There isn't a lot of decorations. It's more of quotes and then functional things, which is fine. I don't need it to be super decorated, but I also don't need the entire thing to be functional. So I gotta find like a happy medium. So let's go ahead and alternate some boxes maybe. I gotta figure out. So I like this believe in yourself. Okay. And then working hard. So I'm just going to be alternating decor and then I'll alternate boxes. Okay. I also like these strips. So maybe let's try some of that. And then pull some over on the other side as well. Let's do black. Maybe at the bottom. Okay. I stretched it a little bit too hard, which is why it's pilling up like that. So let me lay it down flat. Okay. All right. What other kind of decoration can I do? We can put this is pretty. I just don't want it to be so boxy, which is the problem that I'm having. Okay, let's put like a little OMG thing right there. Okay, let's do a quote. That'll kind of break up some of the really like this for Saturday. Maybe I can put one of those kind of like watercolor things behind it. Yeah, that's cute. So there's like a fun checklist thing right there. Okay. And okay, this I could put like sideways. Okay. And then okay. So we have box, box, box. Quote, quote. So this kind of, let's see. I really want to hoard these because they're black. Like, that's my favorite. My dog wants to get in. I could do another laptop, but I kind of want to hoard those too. Oh, this sticker book is so cute. I just want to keep it forever. I feel like it probably needs to be a quote over there. So let's figure out which one I can part with. I think they're mostly at the back. Okay. This coffee o'clock and focus on the goal, I'm thinking would be cute to layer. Okay, and then these coffee cups that were down here, I could put like over here. Okay, good. So, oh, I'm missing one more thing here. Let's see. La, 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 la. I could just put a daily goal. And maybe put like YouTube for that. Okay, so what I was thinking is maybe so it doesn't feel so chaotic, I can do black. Just plain boxes. Keep it simple, and maybe I will like it better than using like big ones. Okay. And then I'll just kind of change up the sizes and shapes. Maybe not shapes, maybe I'll keep it rectangle. Okay. I'll do that for Wednesday. And I have another one for this other size. And I'll do medium with a small. Where's the small? Right here. Okay. And then maybe even a square for Monday, because I'm doing a lot today for social media. Well, I like that. It layered with that right there, with that purple strip. Okay, good. So everything over here has a box. And then over here, I need probably, not square, but let's do medium. Even putting it a different length is good. And then okay, and then last look, I just kind of like step away and I can see if there's any space for something. This goal achieved is really pretty. So let's put that down here. Okay. All right. That is all done. And I think I might change the discs because I've been having the pink for a while. But it is all complete. And again, that was using Girl with Goals. And there's this really beautiful tint of like plum with black and foiling. So, oh, I love it. Oh, I think this week it's gonna be really good, super productive. I'm very excited. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you have a social media planner, let me know as well. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please, 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 please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.